Hi friend, in this video I will show you how to make a spot welding machine for lithium ion battery pack. So you must require capacitor. So I have used 4700 microfarad or 50 volt, 3 number of capacitor, a bridge rectifier. So I have installed the bridge rectifier, you can see it here friend. So after that you have to install all the capacitor in parallel connection. So the circuit drawing I will provide you in this video, no problem. So the most important thing, you have to make the total soldering of this base part, because when high capacitor charge will be discharged, the thin film of copper will be damaged. So here is the circuit drawing, you can see friend. So I have used polar capacitor 3 numbers of 4700 microfarad LED, a resistor 1 kilo ohms, bridge diode, and the complete circuit drawing is here. So you must provide 12 volt supply or more than that, because this type of circuit can work from 12 volt to 40 volt, but high amps will be required. So I have already completed the soldering part and the circuit is completed. Now I will test it and see how it works. So I am welding it, you can see it is working fine without any issue. So friend, it is very easy to make this type of power spot welding machine. So you can see friend, the spot welding is complete and the joint is perfect, you can see it here friend. So always try to use a good power supply. You can directly connect this unit with 12 volt battery, or you may connect with a power supply of bench power device, but it must provide minimum 10 amps. So I have used a bench power supply variable, and I will take the voltage to 36 volt and I will check it. For thicker plate you will require greater amount of voltage and amps, but for lithium ion battery 12 volt is sufficient, you can see.